Hi, I'm Tracey Richards, Managing Director at Geoff Richards Panelbeating in Dubbo, along with my husband Todd. We are a 3-generation family repair business. We've just been discussing as a group the environmental, social and governance aspect of the panel repair industry and how this is everyone's responsibility for the future. I think moving forward, it's going to be something that all of us are going to have to implement. However, for that to be implemented, it needs to be quantified, and we also need to have the output there that we know we need to measure against. As a group, hopefully we can come together with some ideas that everyone can implement to really make the future better for all of us.
Hi, I'm Clarissa from DSI Panels in Melbourne. We have 3 sites and I'm here for the roundtable discussion with Paint Panel today. At the moment we're discussing the environmental impact, and my opinion is obviously that the most important thing is education. So whether that is not just for the business owners but also the insurance companies and all the shareholders, but the suppliers as well, and obviously the staff. So that's the biggest thing for me, is in educating staff so that they're aware of all the requirements and the legislation and the consequences as well, because at the end of the day, if there ever is an incident or an issue, everybody's impacted. So for me, I think the most important thing is education.
Yes, my name's Leslight, Regatta Motor Body Repairs in Sydney. We're here talking about the environment and the legislations and so forth that the insurance companies and corporate Australia have to put in place, and running down to our businesses and what effects it will happen to our businesses ourselves. It's a difficult situation. We're all here as small businesses and trying to work out the process and get it through as most efficiently as possible and cost effective as well. That's going to be the biggest issue for us, is the cost involved and on taking that to in the repair costs. So here we go. Thank you.
Hi.